Imagine shrinking down to the size of a single cell, diving into a world teeming with life that's invisible to the naked eye. Welcome to the microscopic universe that surrounds us every day, where tiny creatures defy the laws of nature and shape our world in ways we're only beginning to understand. Our journey begins with life in a single drop of water. As we zoom in, a bustling metropolis of microorganisms comes into focus. Among these miniature marvels, we encounter the indestructible tardigrade, affectionately known as the water bear. These microscopic adventurers can survive the harshest conditions imaginable, from the crushing pressures of the deep ocean to the vacuum of space. Tardigrades possess an extraordinary ability to enter a state of cryptobiosis, essentially shutting down their metabolism and becoming nearly invincible. They can withstand extreme temperatures, radiation levels that would be lethal to humans, and even the vacuum of space. In fact, tardigrades have been launched into orbit and returned to Earth, still alive and ready to continue their microscopic adventures. But the drop of water holds more than just these resilient creatures. As we explore further, we witness a dramatic hunt unfolding. Microscopic predators stalk their prey with surprising sophistication. Voracious protozoans like the Didinium pursue and engulf other single-celled organisms, showcasing a primitive yet effective hunting strategy that has evolved over billions of years. These tiny hunters employ various techniques to capture their meals. Some use specialized structures called extrasomes to immobilize their prey, while others create vortexes in the water to draw in unsuspecting victims. It's a constant battle for survival, playing out on a microscopic scale, reminiscent of the epic chases we see in nature documentaries, but happening right under our noses. Perhaps most fascinating is how these single-celled organisms exhibit complex behaviors without a brain or nervous system. Take the slime mold, for instance. This bizarre organism, which exists as a single cell with multiple nuclei, can solve mazes, make decisions, and even create efficient networks that rival human-engineered systems. Scientists have used slime molds to model transportation networks and solve complex mathematical problems, all by observing the behavior of this seemingly simple life form. As we leave the drop of water behind, our next stop brings us even closer to home. The secret universe living on our very own skin. Our bodies are host to trillions of microorganisms, forming a complex ecosystem known as the human microbiome. Far from being harmful, many of these tiny tenants play crucial roles in maintaining our health. Beneficial bacteria on our skin form a living shield, protecting us from harmful pathogens. These microscopic guardians produce antimicrobial compounds, compete for resources with dangerous microbes, and even communicate with our immune system to keep us healthy. It's a symbiotic relationship that has evolved over millennia, with our microbial allies helping to defend us against disease. But the wonders of our skin's microscopic world don't end there. Zoom in even further, and you'll find tiny mites living in your eyelashes and hair. These minuscule arachnids known as demodex are a normal part of our facial fauna. While the thought might make you squirm, these mites generally cause no harm, and may even play a role in keeping our pores clean. The influence of our microscopic companions extends far beyond just physical health. Recent research has uncovered a fascinating connection between our gut microbiome and our mood. The bacteria in our digestive system produce neurotransmitters and other compounds that can affect brain function. This gut-brain axis suggests that the trillions of microbes living inside us may play a role in our mental health, influencing everything from stress levels to cognitive function. As we expand our view to the global scale, we encounter the invisible architects that shape our planet. These microscopic marvels are the unsung heroes of Earth's ecosystems, working tirelessly to maintain the delicate balance of life on our planet. Take a deep breath. The oxygen you just inhaled was likely produced by microscopic algae floating in the world's oceans. These tiny photosynthetic organisms are responsible for generating an astounding 70% of Earth's oxygen. Phytoplankton, as they're collectively known, form the base of marine food webs and play a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Beneath our feet, another hidden network is at work. Fungal mycelia form vast underground webs that connect entire forests. These fungal networks, sometimes called the wood wide web, allow trees to share resources and information. Through this microscopic internet, trees can warn each other of impending threats, transfer nutrients to struggling neighbors, and even support the growth of young cells. But perhaps the most surprising architects of our world are the bacteria with seemingly superhuman abilities. Some species of bacteria have evolved to consume materials we once thought indestructible. Ideonella sacchariensis, discovered in 2016, can break down and digest PET plastic, offering a potential solution to our growing plastic pollution problem. Meanwhile, other bacteria can extract valuable metals from electronic waste or even eat toxic pollutants, transforming them into harmless compounds. These microscopic marvels are not just curiosities, they represent the cutting edge of scientific research and technological innovation. By understanding and harnessing the power of these tiny organisms, we're developing new ways to clean up pollution, produce sustainable materials, and even create advanced computing systems inspired by the collective behavior of microbes. As our journey through the microscopic world comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for the complexity and importance of life at the smallest scales. From the indestructible tardigrades and a drop of water to the bacteria shaping our planet's ecosystems, these invisible worlds are fundamental to our existence. The next time you look at a puddle, touch your skin, or walk through a forest, remember that you're surrounded by bustling universes too small to see. In these microscopic realms, life finds a way to thrive in the most extreme conditions, solve complex problems without a brain, and shape the very world we live in. By exploring and understanding these tiny wonders, we unlock new possibilities for science, technology, and our understanding of life itself. So, the next time someone tells you to think big, remember that sometimes the most extraordinary discoveries come from thinking incredibly small. The microscopic worlds around us hold secrets that continue to amaze and inspire, proving that, in the grand tapestry of life, every thread, no matter how small, plays a vital role.